next project is to try to sort out this ceiling. If you can see, patches falling off all over. The reason being that it wasn't sealed before it was painted. I've had a go at just patching it and repairing it last year, but the cracks just reappeared, and so what I need to do is to rub it all down, try to get all the paint off, and then put some decent primer on, fill in all the holes. So I went to Thailand, bought myself some contact primer and some acrylic filler. So that is my next project. I'm not going to start on it today. I won't finish it today, but I'll make a start. Try to scrape off and sand as much of the paint off as I can, all the loose paint. Okay, I'll get back to you. As you can see, the main problem is where the joints are. There's actually two pieces of board connected there, but there's nothing on this side it's actually fixed to, apart from some slats going that way. So that's why it moves, that's why it cracks. It's mostly along the joins. Okay, I will crack on. Scraper. Got off all the loose bits with my scraper. So what I'm going to do now is go over these bits that I've scraped with my sander. See if I can find any more loose bits. And I've got to decide what I'm going to do. I've been toying with the idea of putting plastic cladding over the top, so if it starts cracking again you won't be able to see it. But I had a look in Global House and you're looking at about 3,500 baht for the cladding. And then you got the fixing, the glue to stick the boards. So I haven't decided yet. I'm either going to fill it and paint it, or I'm going to clad it. I will see after I finish sanding, see what I think. Okay, catch you later. So one of the problems I've encountered is that the width of this ceiling is slightly more than 2.4 meters. So they've had to put a joining bit, which they put right in the middle for some reason. And therefore, this moves. So I've got to try and stop that moving. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a piece of timber on top of here and screw some screws into here. So it will limit movement, hopefully enough to stop it from cracking. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so now there's no movement, so that's solid. Well, that's one job fixed. So it's all sanded down. I hope I've got all the loose flaky bits off as much as I can. So what I'm going to do now, before I do any filling work, I'm going to paint on this COA contact primer. It says repair and protect, so excellent old plaster surface adhesion. So once I put this on, hopefully it will stick a lot better and it won't crack anymore. So I was expecting this primer to be white, but it's actually clear. It's actually clear, and it feels like very watery paper glue. That's what it feels like. So it is sticky. So it's all done, all primed, ready for some filling. So my next step, I need to get some jointing tape to tape up the joints, which I haven't got, and I think I'll buy some a bag of plaster rather than using this, because it's quite a lot to fill. So that will be the next step. Hungry now, gonna go and get some lunch. I'll catch you on the next one.